Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another session, guys. For those joining us for the very first time, you are welcome, and do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel, guys. Click on the subscribe button. Just click right now. We are going to be having a little analysis on GBP, USD, and some other pairs. So tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? My network has really not been the best. So you see there is a little delay here. That should be network. But it's okay, guys. Just tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Keep your comments coming, guys. So that's a problem with network at times in Africa. Oh my God. All right, guys. So this is the setup we had yesterday. Price bounced off our level, gave us massive profits. Now we're having a serious pullback. All right, no problem. Let's just go to a clean chart where we can do some analysis. Okay. So this is GBP AUD. Let's go out to the daily time frame as usual. So if you're new here, guys, show some love by subscribing. Click the subscribe button. Just click on subscribe right now. Click on subscribe, guys. I'm trusting you guys to push the channel to 500 subscribers this month. It's not yet late, guys. That was the agreement, and I've been here live every day for you guys, trying to make sure we hit that goal, trying to make sure you guys get the basics. But you guys are not reciprocating. Some people are showing some love because the subscribers are actually increasing every blessed day. So, but I noticed the lowest number of views we have per live stream is 80. And imagine that out of those 80, just 50 people were subscribing per day, would have achieved our goal, right? And the other thing I noticed is the fact that most of the viewers are new viewers unsubscribed, which means the subscribed viewers are taking just a little percentage. So guys, if you're not subscribed, just click the subscribe button. Go to the subscribe point right now, just subscribe and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm live, you can receive notifications. You come, let's trade together. And tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Just put the name of your country. Just say hi in the comment section. Let's get it going. So in front of us, we have GBP USD. This is a pair we've been trading for. Okay. So now that we see that on the daily, we are still very bearish. Yeah. And overall, we are looking forward to have some sales. Okay. Overall, we are looking forward to have some sales. So the buys you see us buying here is just buying into the pullback. Okay. We're just trying to buy into the pullback. Now that we already know our levels and we see price reacting from this resistant level, well, price might still decide to move away from this resistance and keep crashing, which is very, very possible. Now you go down to the 4 hours to see what kind of price action we are having. So on the 4 hours, you realize the resistance is really solid, okay? Historically, bam, bam, bam. And this resistance actually matches with a mid-level. So the mid-level is 1.45, 1.34, 500, okay? 1.34, 500. Joining us for the very first time, show some love by subscribing, okay? Let's keep the trading going. Okay. Early this week, what made us to start buying is this break of trend line, okay? So we saw a trend line coming down, price actually break through the trend line and came back, retested the trend line, and now started moving to the upside. So we actually had a buy here. The buy is still on. This is it. Yes, this is the buy we had down here. You all can see. So yesterday we had another pull to the upside, but the resistance level around 1.34500 actually held price and we could not continue. So right now, what do we have here? We can all see price creating another trend line. And what do you see? Price has actually broken the trend line. Okay, price has actually broken the trend line, which makes it scary. It makes it a little scary at this point. But since we have a key level around here, what invalidates the setup is if price, oh my, decides to take out the key level 1.34,000. So this is the level 1.34,000 where price has been reacting from. So if price comes back, takes it out and closes maybe below this structure, because all of this is just one leg. Okay, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, and whatever. Okay, but we still know overall we are looking for an opportunity to all the buys are ending just within this zone. So we are looking for something like, okay, so all this price might come stop you out, but still go up, give us an entry to sell. That's why I say sellers should be more courageous than buyers in this market. Yeah, sellers should be more courageous than buyers. Resistance level. Yeah, it's a serious resistance level. So guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think and which other pair would you want us to actually look at? Because this is what we have for GBP USD. Wow, official gorillas. What's up? Nice to have you. You are welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome. Where are you streaming from? I think this is your first time. This is the first time of me having you here. Or maybe you've been following, but you've never commented. So guys, tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Keep your comments coming. Keep your comments coming. We are currently looking at GBP AUD, GBP USD. So we are anticipating for price to pull up a little for us to have a bigger sell. So if you are new to the channel, show some love, guys. Subscribe to the channel. This is the best channel you ever have, because here we break down charts every blessed morning and make sure you have a lot going on. Oh, my people from Kenya, Nairobi, nice to have you. Anthony, nice to have you here. Nice to have you here. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, show some love by subscribing. Lots of love from Africa. Guys, love you so much. Oh my God. So we are trading London session with our brother all the way from England. Of is official gorillas. Is it a man? Is it a brother? Nice to have you. Please, if you guys are not subscribed, show some love by subscribing. Okay. So that's how we go. That's how we do it. So yesterday we actually had a trade on this pair, GBP USD. Let me show you the setup. So we had this setup. It gave us a 1:2. It wasn't even 1:2, but most of my students had a 1:2 because their stop loss was 20 pips. And the day before yesterday, we had, no, that was on Tuesday, right? We had this setup. And you see, price has just been playing around the zone for a couple of days. All right. And for those who want to connect with me, here's my WhatsApp number. So I recommend you connecting with me because I have a free Forex masterclass coming up this weekend on Sunday where I'll be breaking down a lot for you guys. So you can contact me through this number. I join the waiting list and let's have this class together. It's going to be life changing. Okay. Even if you have been trading and you maybe are facing some challenges. Oh, my people from South Africa. Have you here, Mr. Innocent? It's an honor. I miss you. Yesterday, I felt your absence. Thanks for coming. So for those, like I said, for those who have maybe been trading and they're still facing some challenges and want to up their game, contact this WhatsApp number. We have a masterclass. It's free. You don't pay a dime to be part of it. Okay. So just join the waiting list, and by weekend, have the masterclass and you learn the lessons and you keep on with your trading. You increase what you already know, you get better. Okay. So that is it. So as for GU, this is exactly what we see. Okay. Currently, price is acting off a daily support, a daily resistance level. Okay. So it also comes down to the 4 hours. The resistance is also respected on the 4 hours. You see, price has tapped on it here. That's why we talk more of probabilities. Okay. We are not looking for perfect entries. What we are looking for are A plus O. We are looking for high quality setups and with a higher probability of price going to a certain direction. So that's exactly what we do. We are not looking for perfect entries. We are not looking for sniper for the best possible entry. We don't want to catch the tops and the bottoms. Yeah. So that's it. But at this point, this is not a high probability setup for us because this resistance level is less than our FIB, our golden zone, our FIB golden zone. Okay, so we use our Fibonacci to actually get better entries. So you see, it's still somewhere around discounts. We cannot be selling in discounts. Okay. Word free speech. Please be careful of what you post. We're here to help ourselves. So, bro, if you ain't contributing, please be careful of what you post. Okay, because if you post the wrong things, you might get blocked permanently. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm saying. We have not had a good pullback, which is exactly what we're anticipating for. We're expecting to have a deeper pullback to somewhere within our premium so that we can now sell confidently. Okay, but we are still strongly bearish on GBP USD overall. Okay, so tell me in the comment section which other pair would you want us to look at? Which other pair would you want us to look at? And if you are new to the channel that you're not subscribed, I think would be the best option, guys. Please show some love by subscribing. Show some love by subscribing. Show some love by subscribing to the channel and tell me in the comment section what do you think Euro USD. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna hit it straight up. And what are your thoughts concerning this GBP USD? Are you also bearish? No, you're a big trader and your words mean a lot to us. So tell us what you think. Are you seeing the same thing we see on GBP USD? So we'll visit Euro USD for our brother. This is a testing. Okay. Okay, this is GA. Okay. So that's why we talk about key levels. You see the way price has been reacting off this key level 1.16,000. Anytime price comes around the zone, it happens. It repeats, bounces, boom, boom, boom. So guys, that is it. Okay, so we go straight to the daily time frame, and we take out most of our drawings. So that we can be clear, we can see clearly. So guys, for those joining us for the very first time, show some love by subscribing. Show some love by subscribing. Okay. So overall, on USD, on Euro USD, you'll still see that we're having something like this. So this is the major trend, the external trend. Okay, we're having something like this. And now we break the trend somewhere around here, giving us a change of character. So all this is one move, which is considered a pullback. Okay. And now what are we seeing? Price is gradually coming down. There's a possibility for us to continue the trend or to come, reject, find it difficult to break, and then continue. So there's a possibility for anything. But as of right now, the daily overall is bearish, but the daily internal still looks bullish because since we had this internal change of character here, you see, we had a head and shoulder, something like that, triple bottom, or yeah, triple bottom, and we took out this structure from here. Price has not taken out these lows. Okay, so this is more like a pullback. But now you also realize we've created what we call a double top here. There's a double top formation. This was a pullback, though the pullback could not take out these highs. This swing low struggled, but could not take out these highs, which means this resistance zone actually held price. And now we've created top formation for those who trade patterns. Okay, we've had a double top formation, and price has taken out the low, the neckline. So under normal circumstances, for our pattern traders, you'll be expecting something like this, a pullback to continue to the downside. Okay, so this is what we see on the daily. Daily is overall bullish, and internally it has also created something bearish. Okay, though the reason why I don't consider this little move as bearish is simply because this move, since price left this low and went up, this was the first pullback, telling you all of this could still be considered as the first, because price has not taken out this low. So the internal of this time frame is bearish. It's bullish, sorry. The internal of the daily is bullish. To be honest with you, it's bullish. So let's go down to the 4 hours to see exactly what we have on the 4 hours. So you'll see that on the 4 hours, this is exactly what we okay. So on the 4 hours, that's where we have this bullish trend. So for those joining us for the very first time, you are welcome. I'm so happy to have you. We love you guys. And this is what we do always. We have our daily charts breakdown, okay? London session and New York session. So during our breakdowns, there are times when we have some setups, we take trades live and we make profit live. Like yesterday, we had live setup and we actually made so much profit, and some people are still holding, okay? Some people are still holding. So if you are new, show some love by subscribing. Click on the subscribe button. All right, subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video or when we are live, you receive notifications and you'll be able to join us. Let's trade together. Yes, that daily is bullish. Thank you very much for your support, man. Okay, so on the 4 hours, what do we see? Price has given us a change of character here because this is the last low which took out a high. Since after this low, no other low took out any high here. Okay, this is the last high, and no other high went higher than this. So this is where we had our change of character. Okay, so having a change of character like this, you know, we always extend it across to consider it our golden zone. Okay, then you see our golden zone is somewhere around our ash box is somewhere around 1.18,000. Okay, now what do? We take our Fibonacci because price is proving to us that it's trying to reverse from here, but we have not seen any buy confirmation yet because we've not had change of character from this internal downtrend we are having. Okay, because even though we have this overall downtrend, there is an internal downtrend creating, giving you lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so you take your Fibonacci from the highest point price got to the lowest point. Oh my God, let me just redo it. So you realize that our 50% is above this green line. So we are hoping that price should break into this zone, give us a confirmation for us to continue selling. So on the 4 hours, this is what we are looking forward to seeing. Something like this. Something like this. Okay. Yes. If price gives us something like this, then the sales will be good because we are seeing that we've had a good change of character here. Okay. So this is exactly what we see on the daily, on the 4 hours. And on the 4 hours, you realize that those who actually wanted to enjoy this trend, they had the change of character all the way here. Okay. On Monday, on a Monday, that was maybe last week or something like that, when price actually took out this zone and gave a retest. Okay, this is where they had to enter somewhere here, place the stop loss above and swing the trade. But since you did not catch a swing, can you also draw from extreme external lows to high sinks? Okay. Okay, thank you. Then let's go back to the daily to make it easy. So if we have to draw our Fibonacci, to see how far we've gone on the daily. Yes, we are already around, we already tapped on 61.8 retracement levels on the daily internal, which is the 4 hours extreme or external. All right, but I have to be honest with you. The reason why you see I'm still focusing more on sales is simply because of the overall daily. Okay, so let's also mark out our overall daily fib to see. what I'm talking about. Perfect. And you realize that we already tapped on the 61.8 retracement level on the daily external trend. That's why, even though we are having some bullish vibes on the internal, but because of the overall external and what we have on the 4 hours, I prefer more to follow the overall external and the downtrend on the 4 hours time frame. That's why you see I focused more on drawing the fib from the highs to the lows. I don't know if it makes sense to you, if it's clear. So that's what we have on euro. And on euro, to be honest with you, I am strongly bearish overall. I think I should be looking more for sales on euro if I have to trade euro. So guys, keep your thoughts coming and tell us which other pair would you want us to break down, which other pair would you want us to work on. So tell me guys, where are you streaming from? Where are you joining me from? Just drop the flag of your country or the name. Let's go global. Let's go global, guys. So that's what we have on GB on Euro USD. Let's go back to GBP AUD and see what's happening. Internal liquidity just before the highs. Please explain more, sir. So GBP AUD is telling us something serious here, guys. Telling us something serious here. Wow. GTIC CMO. Nice to have you, man, all the way from the US. So is it the Caribbean America or the United States of America? Which part of America? What part of America are you streaming from? Nice to have you, man. It's an honor to have you here. We are so happy. And please, if you're not subscribed, show some love by subscribing because we do this always, okay? We are here live. We make it easy. So we are international. We go global. Guys, so my guys from Australia are not here today. I've not seen my guys from Australia. Today, we've had the US, we've had the UK, we've had South Africa, we've had Kenya, we also have Cameroon, Nigeria, but I've not seen my people from Australia. What's up? Oh, okay. Yeah, you'll take some time out to actually look at what GA is doing. Take some time out to look at what GA is doing. GBP AUD is one of the pairs I love so much. Oh, my man from Cameroon. Nice to have you guys, man. Nice to have you guys, man. You guys are the loveliest community I have. So for those who are not subscribed to the channel, show some love by subscribing, okay? So GTAC CMO, we have a masterclass coming up this weekend. So in case you want to be part of this masterclass, let me just put my contact on the screen so you can hit us up and get access. So tell me, are you a beginner trader or you already have trading experience? My man from the United States. And guys, whoever want to connect, just feel free. Some people are not commenting, but they are watching. So if you want to connect, you want to be part of the free masterclass, feel free, okay? Feel free to hit the number up. Just say hi. I'm from YouTube. My name is this. I want to be part of your life, your free masterclass, free Forex masterclass, and automatically you'll be given access to the waiting room and the date, time, everything so that you can prepare. All right. So that is it. So, man from the US, are you a new trader? Are you a beginner, a novice, or you already have some trading experience? All right. So, on the daily time frame, wow. Yeah, for sure, man. People are not really taking it that serious. Yeah, people are not taking it that serious. But some people are learning a lot because I've been receiving messages of people really thanking me for what they've learned on the channel. They've tried to apply and it's working perfectly well. So that's it. All right, my bro, just feel free. I don't know if it's a bro. Sorry for me calling you bro without actually knowing your gender, but it's okay. So just you can hit me up on WhatsApp, okay? I think the masterclass is going to be very, very helpful to you. So yeah, I learned a lot from American traders. Honestly, I learned a lot from American traders. My my guy is Swaggy C, Chris Williams. That's a guy that actually made me to love forex trading. I did not have time for forex. I actually wanted to do futures more because I started trading futures. So when I came across Swaggy C, Chris Williams, bro, that guy, honestly, that guy did a lot for me. And because of him, I had to know Cubanks, Lambo Rao, and so many other big traders. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Even females can be bro. Yeah, that's it. That's it, man. That's it. Females can be bro. We are one big family, man. We are one big family. And I actually love the way you guys um, are very consistent. You know, there are some people here who have been there since day one. They've been showing the love, they've been active, they've been learning, and they've been testifying. So it's been helping them a lot. It's been helping them a lot. Yeah. And yeah, for all my beginner traders, okay, you want to up your game, you want to up your game, subscribe to the channel. Honestly, we have a whole lot here for you guys, completely free. Like you just create time to watch. You see, this guy is in the USA. That tells you how serious he is. Most of his mates are sleeping. Most other people are just relaxed now on their beds, having fun sleeping. But you are here. That's just a sign to show how serious you can be. You're that kind of person who can actually be profitable in trading because trading actually has a lot to do with the mind. To get to a whole other level, I think you cannot be profitable in trading. But for someone like you, G Take, I think you are great because it's sleeping time, but you're awake. You're on live.